Sawadee Cup. G'day, this is Ray with more cultural information about life in Thailand. Today I'm going to talk about how children are raised in Thailand, and I think you might find it eye-opening. But before we begin, if you are retiring in Chiang Rai and need help, my wife Jen is a great time, stress and money-saving resource. Her contact details are in the description below. In Thailand, the approach to raising children is influenced by cultural values, traditions, and the importance placed on family. If you should start a relationship with a Thai woman who has a child, you should leave any child rearing and discipline to her. While there may be some variations based on socio-economics factors and regional differences, certain practices are commonly observed throughout the country. Here are some key aspects of how children are raised in Thailand. It's family-centered. Thai society places great importance on the family unit. The family structure is typically extended, with several generations often living together or in close proximity. Grandparents and other relatives often play a significant role in the upbringing of children. The elderly are highly respected and considered important sources of wisdom and guidance. Respect for elders is important. Respect for elders is deeply ingrained in Thai culture, and children are taught to show deference to their parents, grandparents, and other family members. This includes displaying polite behavior, using appropriate language, and performing acts of service and assistance. It's based on collective responsibility that Thai children are raised with a sense of collective responsibility and community. They are taught to consider the needs and well-being of others, not just their immediate family. This is reflected in the emphasis on communal harmony, respect for authority figures, and the practice of giving back to the community. There's a strong Buddhist influence. The majority of Thais follow Theravada Buddhism, which greatly influences child rearing practices. Buddhist teachings emphasize moral values, compassion, mindfulness, and self-discipline. Parents often distill these values in their children through religious teachings and participation in temple activities. Education. Education is highly valued in Thai society, and parents strive to provide their children with a good education. Formal education typically begins at the age of 3, with preschool or kindergarten. Primary and secondary education are compulsory, and higher education is encouraged. Academic achievements are often a source of pride for families. Discipline and obedience. Thai parents often emphasize discipline and obedience in raising their children. Children are expected to follow rules and guidelines set by their parents and other authority figures. Corporal punishment was once more common, but in recent years there's been a growing awareness of alternative disciplinary methods that focus on positive reinforcement and open communication. Gender roles. Traditional gender roles can influence child rearing practices in Thailand. Boys are often encouraged to be assertive, independent, and display leadership qualities, while girls are taught to be nurturing, respectful, and take on domestic responsibilities. However, societal attitudes are evolving, and there is increasing recognition of the importance of gender equality and empowering girls. Festivals and traditions. Thai festivals and traditions play a significant role in the upbringing of children. Events like Songkran, which is the Thai New Year, Loi Krathong, Festival of Lights, and various religious ceremonies provide opportunities for families to come together, pass down cultural practices, and reinforce values. It's important to note that while these aspects provide a general overview of child rearing practices in Thailand, there can be variations based on individual families, urban-rural differences, and the influence of modernization and globalization. Okay folks, that's it for this time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got some value from this video. Until the next video, share, take care, and bye for now.